Hey, here's the setup for MIDI control of the Peavey AT200 guitar using the AT200B clone breakout box as shown here. So we have the audio out going to an amplifier. We've got the guitar in over an 8-pin DIN cable. That goes right to the guitar. The box powers the guitar. So you need a 9-volt with a center negative power supply, standard guitar type pedal power supply. The light will come on if it's correct. Then you've got a M Audio Uno MIDI to USB converter. This is very important. This one works. There's many others that will work, but this is one that I know works for sure. And the MIDI is connected to MIDI in and MIDI out. So the MIDI out of the Uno connects to the MIDI in, and the MIDI out of the breakout box connects to the MIDI in of the Uno. And that's the setup. And then you've got the USB cord from the Uno, goes to a Apple camera kit, and then to an iPad running MIDI Designer, which I'm going to turn on now. And we're going to hit play. And here's the typical setup that shows up. So depending on which pack you have, you've got different packs here: Pro pack, Essential pack, and you can pick which one you got. I have the Pro pack, so I'm going to have the Pro pack settings. There's more options there, and we'll go through the options and see how this iPad can control the guitar. So here's the guitar connected via 8-pin MIDI cable to the breakout box. And then we have MIDI Designer operating here, fully in control of the guitar. Simplest thing, you can do a string tune, so string tune. You can also turn on solid tune, which means it'll play more intonated. Hard to tell when you're playing, but it does help. And then you can change the tuning. All the way up and down. You change the pickups. The position of the pickup selector. That's the neck. That's the bridge. Then you can do the in between, and then the quack modes if it's Stratocaster. So we can leave that there. Then you've got the different tunings, so you can do drop D. Open E. And open G, of course, and all kinds of other custom tunings. And there's all kinds of other settings here. You can do a 12-string emulation. Of course, I'm going to do that in standard tuning. Different settings. It's a dirty sound, so it probably doesn't really sound like a 12-string. And octave. So that's an octave down, and you've got all kinds of settings here. And endless control of the guitar over the iPad. You can also connect the USB from the Uno, the M Audio Uno, to your computer and run the settings app on your computer and have a similar screen and be able to adjust all the things I just adjusted. And that's it. Enjoy.